Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering libraries and choosing one authoritative copy to work from. This avoids fragmented timelines and conflicting media paths. Once chosen, consolidate media into that library or relink external folders, and make sure to set library properties so media, cache, and backups point to predictable folders. While moving files, monitor drive space and run verify backups. This establishes a single source of truth and prevents relink headaches later. So you can proceed with pruning and now break the library into logical events and name them consistently, for example by date, camera, or shoot day. This reduces searching later. Next, apply keywords and build keyword collections to tag selects, B-roll, and interviews so you can pull groups instantly. Once done, create smart collections for common queries like 4K RAW or interview close-ups. Also assign roles to separate dialogue, music, and effects. This prepares your timeline exports and keeps complex edits manageable as projects scale. Finish by consolidating media so all necessary files live where you expect, then optimize the library and create a verified backup to an archive drive. After archiving, remove unused render and cache files to save space, but keep a recent backup for safety. If something goes wrong, like missing media, relink at the parent folder level first and check file permissions. If relinking still fails, restore from your verified backup copy. These steps lock in a tidy, reliable workflow you can repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.